back to the bank.
Today we're out here in Lugol, South Carolina, just a few miles out of Columbia. Good afternoon, sir.
How you doing?
This is a nature scene, and as you know, we just go out in the woods and see what we can find. Sometimes we find nothing, which makes for a very boring program. But let's get on into these woods and just see what we might run into today. Now this is a very interesting species right here. I would tell you the scientific name for this, but it's very confusing, and there's no use for me to tell you because you wouldn't remember it anyway. But this is commonly known in South Carolina as a weed.
I believe that.
And you see them growing just about anywhere, and it's amazing what you can find if you just get out in the woods and look for it. Just, you know, who would dream that you would find this in Lugol? It's a beautiful plant if you look at the little leaves here. And these seeds are distributed by the wind.
Snowing.
Let's see what else we can find out here now.
A fossil, Rudy.
Now this could be a fossil, but it's not. It looks like a piece of cement. By the way, you see, this is a tree that is seen every day in South Carolina. A lot of people don't take the time to appreciate it, but it's one of the biggest money crops in the state. This is a loblolly pine tree. And as you see, we're out here in December, and it's green, and it stays green all year. It's a very beautiful tree. Now, how's that?
How tall do they get?
All these things can reach the height of 100 or more feet, no problem. Now, as we move on, I tell you now, this is one thing. When I'm out here on these nature trips, this is one thing that really makes me sick. A person that can take a beer can and throw it out the window, you'd have it rammed down their throat. And, you know, this is nature. This is what we have to live with. And when I'm out here on these nature trips, I don't want to see this. This is not on the subject of what we're out here for, but this is one thing I wish that the people of South Carolina who drink Budweiser would refrain from. It's very sickening. Now, a lot of times when I'm out here on these nature trips, I like to bend down and look up under a board because a lot of life is up under here. That was a black widow spider, my friend, and I didn't see it in time. But whenever you're looking under anything like this in South Carolina, make sure that you watch out for spiders, because we have 2 poisonous spiders in the state. That was a black widow, and the other one we have is a brown recluse, and both of them are very, very poisonous. I need to get first aid on this finger right away. Now, moving on along, you never know what you're going to run into on these nature trips. And a lot of times I like to take the children along with me because they're in the process of learning. Now, during the summertime, I wouldn't dare do this because, area like this is where the rattlesnakes hang out. And I have been bitten by a rattlesnake before. And
that's why you better swelled up.
Well, now if the camera would zoom in on this is a plague that has hit our state, and it's a very serious one. I think these things could eventually take over this state. This is what they call the common fire ant. And as you see, what these little creatures do is they bring these mounds up. Now, if you just dig in here with your hands, you'll notice the fire ant because they have a, now this is not a fire ant. This is what is known as a piss ant. And the piss ant is lighter in color than the fire ant, and it's smaller. The fire ant is about twice the size of this piss ant, and it's darker and has a very, very painful sting. But the mounds are very similar. And the only way to distinguish whether or not it is a fire ant is to get in there and dig. Now,
What about these signs out in nature?
well, as you can see, this side here was placed here for a purpose. As you notice, the bullet holes in these signs. Now, when these signs are destroyed like this,
Cost the taxpayer money.
the state has to come and replace them. And this sign cost the state probably $100. And that's money out of our pockets. And that's one thing that really irritates me. Every time I go on these nature hunts, I get very irritated. I'm getting more irritated by the second. I hate this litter. Now,
What's that, Rudy?
this
Marijuana.
is a plant, but I cannot come up with the name of it right now. I got my dictionary back in the car. I probably should refer to it,
There, Brad.
but
Hey.
it's just a common weed. We're looking for more interesting stuff today.
I know what this is. This is a piece of wire. It grows.
Now, as you can see up here in the tall tree,
This is a piece of wire here.
we have a squirrel nest.
If you cut it,
Look out. Wayne. Wayne. Get that. What you doing?
where you at?
What you filming? No. Squirrel nest. Well, Rudy's talking about a squirrel nest.
Well, yeah. Tell them about that squirrel nest. Tell them how to get those limbs up there, those leaves.
That squirrel nest is very interesting.
They get the leaves before they fall on the ground, don't they? So they don't have to carry them up there. You know, to pick them off the limbs.
Those squirrels have that nest right now full of nuts stored up for the winter.
Like from Nugoff.
And
Nugoff nuts.
they can survive most of the winter just by what they have stored up in there. Well, let's cut that camera
Now
now.
we come to the end of the road.
Boy,
Look at it. That's on it.
look at look
That's
at
on it.
look
That's
at
on it.
There you go.
no comment.
That's on it.
Hey,
Look out, Wayne.
That's on it.
Look out, Wayne.
come around.
Here we go. Here we go. And look out, look out. Look out, look out. Look out for the flowers. Turn, go to the house. Go to the house. Look out for the tree. Look out. Look out for the tree. Look out. Boom, you have Rick. Fall down. Huh? Oh, she got me. She got me. Sam, I think I found something.
Stand on his head. Stand on your head, really.
Oh, no.
What is this, Sam? What do you think there?
That looks like a rabbit poop.
What does it taste
Tastes like. Was it a male or female?
That's a rabbit pellet. Good thing we didn't step in it, ain't it?
Well, did you put it in the